The path to vehicle-to-everything has been dragging on for decades. The demand for road safety, real-time traffic information, and incident reporting have been rising globally. However, given the fact that V2X have some challenges, the barrier to entry is too high for those who has less experience in the V2X field. What's more, traditionally, V2X software has to be built and verified per platform, per project, resulting in duplication of work. Now, with Unex V2X solution, we help you to break the barrier while saving your time and effort. Unex offers easy-to-use solution that will dramatically accelerate the development and the integration of V2X units. Based on V2X Cast, V2X application can be run on Unex system on module, onboard unit, and roadside unit, or it can be run on different processing systems for sensor fusion. V2X Cast is a homegrown software framework developed by Unex. The software works in modular architecture and it is developed to work with DSRC and ITS-G5 for direct V2X application development. While the debate about whether DSRC or CV2X should be used for V2X is in full swing, Unex provides a pragmatic approach. The approach enables all Unex partners to evolve DSRC and forward CV2X seamlessly by using V2X Cast. To sum up, V2X Cast technology allows developers deploy V2X applications directly. The solution focuses on scalability and reusability of software and hardware, paving the way to fit future vehicle architecture. As a result, significantly cut time to market with less development and testing cost. We are now inviting you to be part of the ecosystem, from traffic controller, connected and autonomous vehicles, mining to smart agriculture. Unex cross-domain solution enables V2X deployment anywhere around the globe. Our joint solution will make the world safer, greener, and smarter. Unex, driving the next wave.